Welcome to one and all. Today I'll be doing a screencast on the presentation Student Record System. And the name of my group members will be Priyansh, myself Simranjeet, and Simon. So we'll be starting off our presentation with introduction. Student Record System. It's an effective student management system. Some of its features are as listed below. Number 1, create. This feature allows users to add a student its personal information, his course, or his grades. Number 2, read. This feature allows users to read students' information corresponding through their student ID. Edit. This feature allows users to edit students' information, that is, their personal information, subject, or to change the grades. Delete. This feature removes students' record from the system. Now moving on to student class. These are the list of all the private and the public variables, the constructors and the destructors used, the setters and the getters. Student class. The student class consists of 11 student attributes. Those are first name, last name, date of birth, gender, email address, its city address, the city, province, postal code, phone number, and ID. All of which the attributes type is string, except for the ID, which is an integer. Setters. Each of the attributes have their own unique set methods. The getters. Each of the attributes that have their own unique get method. Moving on to college class. This is the snippet of the college class that includes the private and the public variables, the constructors, the list of all the setters, and the list of all the getters, and the methods used. College class. College class consists of 5 college attributes: program, subject, course, campus, course ID. All of these attributes value type is string, except for the course ID, which is an integer. Setters. Each of the attributes have their unique set methods. Getters. Each of the attributes that have their unique get methods. Moving on to the program file, that is the program.cpp. This is our main class, the heart of the application. It consists of most of the parts of how code works and the features are and when not all the calls executed here. Program.cpp consists of switch cases, the structs, the vectors, the create, read, edit, and delete functionalities. The structs. The struct of grade, the struct subject. These are the snippets of the struct grade and the structure of the subject. The vectors, all of the classes, the if statements, the switch are all that are used in our application. Data structures. The program class consists of 2 structures. The structure of the subject. This structure allows users to add subject and has all the validations for the subject with their corresponding set methods. The struct grade. This structure allows users to add grade and has all the validations for the grades with their corresponding set methods. The switch cases and the menu. Uh, our program is designed on switch cases. In each case, it's further divided into 3 basic and simplified menus. Users will be prompted with options they want considered. Each case does a unique task of handling user requests. This is a snippet. Moving on to the case 1. The task of this case is to add student to the record. User will be prompted with the menu 1. It further checks for validation if the provided student ID already exists or not. We are using if and else statements to validate the user. This is a snippet of else if else. Case 2. Case 2 handles most of the read and edit tasks. It displays students' information and also allows users to edit it. Menu 2 will handle all the student display information. Menu 3 will allow users to edit students' information. Adding and editing subjects. Case 2 consists of some important and discrete concepts. The simple task is to allow users to add one or more subject designed to a single student. Users will be prompted with number of subjects student has taken and if they're assigned and when will be the allowed to add subject further to the list. This is the case 2 for if else if statement. Adding and editing grades. This feature is used to edit student grades for their particular subjects. But validation if the student available with the specific subjects to allow users to add, grade, or edit. Case 3. Case 3 deals with deleting tasks. It allows users to delete the student record from the system along with the subjects and all the student information. What were the challenges faced? Accessing vectors inside vectors was our major and one of the most significant challenge. A significant amount of time was spent to resolve this issue, to assess grades, vectors inside subjects. This was solved by using the if-else statements. Effective time management. Each group faced this difficulty. Everyone in the group missed their assigned deadlines, leading to our final exams, which were only a week away. But in time, we managed to put up a great presentation. Communication. Because of everyone's different time schedules, we were unable to commute properly, and because of that, the task assigned weren't possibly completed in assigned timeline. Thank you for watching this presentation. I hope you had a good day.